Welcome to Sahasra Electronics Pvt Ltd. In India, Sahasra is one of the most successful and fastest growing company in electronics domain. We are having manufacturing units in India and Rwanda, Africa to serve all corners of the world. We are having 4 state-of-art manufacturing plants in Delhi NCR. Sahasra Electronics is engaged in manufacturing many electronic products such as PCBs, PCB assemblies, memory products, IT hardware and server solutions. Sahasra started with PCBs and EMS, then it expanded exponentially in memory and IT hardware segments. It started manufacturing USB flash drives 2.0, 3.0 and OTGs for mobile. Sahasra is manufacturing micro SD cards. Sahasra is also manufacturing SSDs for laptops, desktops and enterprise. Sahasra is manufacturing DDR RAM for desktops and laptops. Now Sahasra has expanded in motherboards also, like we are manufacturing desktop motherboards and server motherboards. Sahasra is proud to follow our Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and is focusing to serve made in India products for Indian market as well as for export. We are flashing our contact number and WhatsApp number in this video for our esteemed clients. Sahasra believes in building relationship, so please feel free to talk to our team members regarding products or any details of your requirement. Thank you.